Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I showed a video where you could find double lines and how to do it with the Smart Fill tool. And if you see, there's 6 circles in one rectangle. So there should only be 7 objects, but there's actually 13. So you could always take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, nudge that over, and you can left click, right click. And then when you pick it, there's only the 7 items. Actually a curve, so break curve apart, 7 objects. So somebody questioned, well, why don't you just use the Smart Fill tool instead of macro monsters e-cuts for finding double lines? And so I made a scenario. There is 1 item, 5 bars, so 6, and all these dash lines. So probably about 20, but if you look, there are 65. So the Smart Fill tool isn't going to help you on hairlines, especially. It's just going to give you the outside. The Smart Fill tool actually goes over those lines. So with e-cuts, and if you select on your item and go to Find Duplicate, it converts it to a curve first, and then you set your parameters, and I'm going to set it to 0, 0. It took away 43 duplicates. Then all you have to do is say yes, and then each one of these lines now is just a duplicate, or just a line itself and not a duplicate. Where if we go back a couple of steps, you can see there's multiple stars, there's multiple lines on everything. So e-cuts can do a lot more than what we were talking about with the Smart Fill tool in that scenario. It's great for, everybody, even when you draw something, if you draw a circle and then you want to make a duplicate, you hit the plus key twice and then nudge it over, there's still 2 right here because you hit it twice. So there's 3 objects instead of 2. And e-cuts can help you find those. I can actually see them a little bit. That line is thinner than that one, and you can actually see it sometimes when it's zoomed out. But a lot of times you can't see them. Let's move this one over. Well, let's move them both over on top of that and see if you can see what I'm talking about. From there, I can just see that one's darker. Just a little bit, but it's because it's 2 lines there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.